Dr. Littlejohn here. We're looking at SFMA rotation assessment or multisegmental rotation. This is an awesome assessment to do before you're doing any type of rotational movement or something that requires rotation. This is a really good way to see how does the movement feel, where are you moving from, is one portion of your body limited, as in your hips or your spine, or is one moving more freely, and just how does that movement feel in general. This is a great assessment to do whether you're doing it before, during, or after a workout, or even just throughout your day. To get started, first, your shoes are off, your feet are flat on the floor together, and you're standing tall. You're gonna have your arms at your side, and this movement is best seen from standing behind someone. So first I'm gonna talk to you guys and show the exercise from this point of view, but I will turn around and you can see it from a better angle as well. So my hands are gonna be out at my side, and I'm driving the movement from my shoulder and my hips, and I'm moving all the way like I'm looking back towards the back wall. And then I come back to the center and I go to the other side. You're going to, almost slipped, you're going to do 2 to 3 reps each side. Again, taking note of not only how the movement in general feels, but do you reach a point where, like for my left side, I reach a point where I feel really limited here in my hips, but my spine can continue to move just a little bit further. But even that feels pretty limited. It's taking into account, like, how do I feel doing this movement as a whole, but also, am I moving more from my spine? Am I moving more from my hips or my pelvis? And if I am, what's limiting me in that movement? This is a great way to also assess side to side. How does it feel? Does my right feel better than my left? Vice versa? Do they both feel limited? But that's what this SFMA rotation or multisegmental rotation assessment really well used for. And then from a backwards view or from behind, again, same thing. Standing tall, feet are together, flat on the floor, and my arms are on my side, and I'm turning as far as I can. Hey, how's it going? And we're going the other way. You can see my right side is a little bit more limited. I really have to struggle to get myself all the way around compared to my left, which is much more fluid. And that is how you assess your SFMA rotation.